Jaideep. In today's video, I'll be explaining how I built this application and what this application actually does. So, in short, this application is you give any prompts, it generates animations based on your prompt. That's what it is. So, I have two environments here. So, it is one is for my staging, and the other one is for my production. So, this is where I test the testing and everything, and it's the real world production one. So, we can test the application by giving a small prompt here. And let's look what it generates. So it shows it's processing here. The thing is, the use case comes if you are a YouTube creator or any content creator and you wanted to explain any science or mathematical concepts, you can use this application to generate your videos. And you can easily use it. There isn't any any restrictions on using it. Yeah. So we can have a look what it has created. So it's trying to create a small, simple, and reliable. And what did it create on this side? So it's explaining you binary search visualization. So it's showing you how it found the target and it's explaining you easily in this video. And the thing is, if you give the prompts in a way like it to explain each step by step, it will be able to show you a lot of details and explain you in a way you need it. So that's the best part. And when I'm going into the layers of this application. So it has mainly three layers. It's one is front end and the back end and the infrastructure. So today I'll be explaining the infrastructure side of it and why I've chosen EC2 or why I've chosen EC2 over other technologies. So the reason I've chosen EC2 over EKS or any other ones, EC2 has the option that you can customize it. You have your own server and you have the option to customize it in your own way based on uh, the load or the user request. So suppose what happens here is suppose the user sends a request. Here the Nginx load balancer. It goes into the Nginx load balancer, and from the it goes either into the front end or the back end. And in the back end data, if there are two or three requests coming at the same time, it goes into the Redis queue. And from the Redis queue, the first one will be passing into the worker, and the second one will be again passing into the worker. So here I have chosen a two virtual CPU 40 GB machine. So based on that, I've created two salary workers, and each worker will be processing the animations parallelly, and it will be generating the output. So once the output is generated, it goes into the GCP bucket and it stores the for the user, and the JSON and the URL will be shown into the user's front end, and it will be displayed in the user's browser. So that's what happens here. I have added other layers of monitoring using Prometheus and Grafana. Prometheus actually collects the data and Grafana shows it you in the visualizes it you in the dashboards. So in the coming few weeks, I'll be explaining more about those concepts and how I've done it. So suppose if you liked it, please hit the subscribe button. Also, please press the like button. And here I'm also planning to show you on how the ideal infrastructure using Kubernetes or both and how you can scale it. So it's your likes and subscription actually matters. Thanks a lot for supporting.